Namaste dosto. Today we are going to discuss about general organic chemistry, electronic effects or electronic displacements. This is of two types, permanent effects and temporary effects. Permanent effects again three types, inductive effect or transmission effect. Second one is resonance effect or mesomeric effect or conjugation. And the third one is hyperconjugation, no bond resonance or sigma p orbital resonance, sigma pi bond resonance. Temporary effects again two types, inductomeric effect and electromeric effects. These are the basic effects required to understand electronic displacements in a molecule of organic compound. Inductive effect again two types. The first one is plus I effect, second one is minus I effect. Plus I means positive inductive effect, negative inductive effect. Again second one is resonance, again two types, positive resonance or positive mesomeric, negative resonance or negative mesomeric effects. Now let us discuss about inductive effects. Inductive effects. Inductive effects. So this is the carbon chain C, C and G. G means G for group. The group, it may be electron releasing groups or electron withdrawing group. If the G is electron releasing group, here electron releasing groups, the group which releases electrons towards the carbon chain, that is positive inductive effect. If the group is electron withdrawing group, the group which accepts electrons from the carbon chain, that is negative inductive effects. Negative inductive effect. Generally, inductive effect observed in polar induced molecules. Polar induced molecules. The inductive effect is significant up to the fourth carbon. It is associated with the sigma bonds. Inductive effect is inversely proportional to distance of the carbon chain, is influenced by physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. Plus I effect. This is carbon chain. It is bounded with electron releasing group. The group which releases electrons towards the carbon chain. So carbon acquires negative charges and the electron releasing groups acquires positive charge. The order of plus I effect: tertiary alkyl carbon, secondary alkyl carbon, primary alkyl, deuteromethyl, methyl, deuterium and hydrogens. And minus I effect, negative inductive effect. This is the carbon chain is bounded with electron withdrawing groups. The group which attracts or withdraws electrons from the carbon chain, the group acquires partially negative charge, carbon chain acquires partially positive. Here order of minus I effect. This is NR3 plus, SR2 plus, NH3 plus, NO2, SO2R, Cn, SO2pH, carboxylic acids, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, phenoxides, esters, ethers, ketones, thioalcohols, thioethers, alcohols, alkynes, phenyls and alkenes. Application of inductive effect. By using inductive effect to explain stability of carbocations, stability of the free radicals and stability of carbanion. Stability of carbocation or stability of free radical is directly proportional to plus I effect, sir. Plus I effect increases stability of the carbocation or stability of the free radical increases. Let us see. Example 1 is, this is methyl carbocation. The second one is having one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group. The alkyl group is electron releasing groups. The electron releases to the carbocations, magnitude of the positive charge decreases, means stability increases. The third one is having two alkyl groups, more electrons releases to the carbocation. What happens, sir? Magnitude of the positive charge decreases, again stability increases. Here, 3 electron releasing groups is bounded to the carbocation. What happens, sir? The stability is a maximum in tertiary alkyl carbocation. The correct order is tertiary alkyl carbocation is greater than secondary alkyl carbocation, primary alkyl carbocation, and methyl carbocation. That is 4 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 1. In the second example is here electron withdrawing group. The second one is having one electron withdrawing group. The group which withdraws electrons from the carbocation. What happened? Magnitude of the positive charge increases. Magnitude of the positive charge or magnitude of the negative charge increases, stability decreases. This one is 2 electron withdrawing groups. 2 electron withdrawing groups. Positive charge much more increases. Here 3 electron withdrawing groups. Positive charge much more increases. Negative positive charge is a maximum. So the correct order is 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct order is 1 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than, and 4. Stability of carbon ion directly proportional to minus I effect. So minus I effect increases, stability of carbon ion increases. Let us see another example, sir. This is carbon ion. The first one is carbon ion, and second one is carbon ion is attached to the electron releasing groups. Here electron releases towards the carbon ion, electron density on the carbon increases. Magnitude of the negative charge increases, stability decreases. Here 2 alkyl groups, more number of electron releasing groups bounded to the carbon ion. What happens, sir? Electron density at carbon ion increases, stability decreases. This is the least stability. The correct order is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than, and 4. And another example is carbon ion is bounded to the electron withdrawing groups. Here electron withdrawing groups withdraws electrons from the carbon ion. Magnitude of the negative charge decreases, stability increases. Here 2 electron withdrawing groups, 2 electron withdrawing groups, again stability increases, 2 electrons withdrawing groups, and the stability is increases. The correct order is 4 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the help of inductive effect to explain acidic nature of carboxylic acids and acidic nature of alcohols, basic nature of amines, reactivity of alkyl halides. The first one is acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Acidic nature of carboxylic acids is directly proportional to stability of the carboxylate. Is directly proportional to negative inductive effect, directly proportional to Ka, acid dissociation constant, inversely proportional to pKa, negative logarithmic of acid dissociation constant is inversely proportional to plus I effect. The same manner, acidic nature of alcohols directly proportional to stability of alkoxide ion, directly proportional to stability of phenoxide ion, directly proportional to minus I effect directly proportional to Ka, inversely proportional to pKa, inversely proportional to plus I effect. Acidic nature of carboxylic acid. The group is electron withdrawing group. What happened? The group withdraws electrons from COO minus. What happens, sir? Negative charge, magnitude of the negative charge decreases, stability increases. Tendency to release H plus ions when acid dissolved in water, that is acid. Here G is electron withdrawing group, the stability of the carboxylate increases. Let us see example 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what happens, sir? This is the second carbon and the third carbon electron withdrawing groups. This is second carbon, third carbon having two electron withdrawing groups. Second carbon and third carbon, two electron withdrawing groups. Here no electron withdrawing groups, sir. So the correct order is 4 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than, and 1, sir. This is the correct acidic nature, acidic strength of 1, 2, 3, 4. And second example is, so let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, sir. Here electron withdrawing groups present second position, third position, and fourth position. Here electron withdrawing group, second position having two electron withdrawing groups. Here 1, 2, 3, third position and fourth position. Actually negative inductive effect significant up to the fourth carbon, distance increases, inductive effect decreases. This is electron releasing group, sir. The correct order is 3 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 1, sir. Another example 1, 2, 3, 4, sir. The correct order is 3 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 1, sir. Because here OH group electron withdrawing group, NO2 electron withdrawing group, and Cn electron withdrawing group. NO2 is much more electron withdrawing group comparing to the Cn, comparing to the OH and hydrogen. The correct order is 3 greater than, 4 greater than, 2 greater than, 1. Acidic nature of carboxylic acids in cyclic compounds. This is hexane, cyclohexane carboxylic acid, cyclopentane carboxylic acid, cyclobutane carboxylic acid, cyclopropane carboxylic acid, sir. Here number of carbons increases, means electron releasing groups increases, so acidic nature decreases. So here 6 carbons, 5 carbons, 4 carbons and 3 carbons. So that is the correct order is 4 greater than, 3 greater than, 2 greater than, 1, sir. Another example is ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid and pentanoic acid, sir. So number of carbons increases, electron releasing groups increases, stability decreases. So the correct order is 1 greater than, 2 greater than, 3 greater than and 4. Aromatic carboxylic acids are more acidic in nature than aliphatic carboxylic acid, but except formic acid is more acidic nature than benzoic acid, than acetic acid, like that.